Evening, everybody. We're live at 6:36, and we're running a mini for Brandon's winner's choice, I believe, with the R2 Pop and the Droids 3PO. I got 44 spots here in my mini. And I'm going to copy as soon as I actually get them and take them over to random to find our top 5. Top 5 win spots in the main. There we got our 44 mini entries. I'm going to roll the dice here in just a second, see how many rounds we're going to go. Got to get at least a 5, which we did. We got a 5 exactly. So we're battling. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Christina in the top spot for our first round. David, round 2. Alex takes round 3 with number 15. David in the top spot for round 4 with number 44, bringing us to the big one, the money round, the one that matters. Final round. Good luck, battlers. Here we go. And our winners are Christina and Christina in the top 2 spots, followed by Marcus, Adam, and David. Congratulations, guys. Here's the rest, though, as we take a stroll through our 44 spots. Let's make it official. REPEMQ. Christina in the top 2, Marcus, Adam, and David. Round them out. Congrats, guys and gals. I am done at 6:37. As you can see here. One more time, we'll take a look. Congratulations to the winners. See you next time, guys. Thanks.